I think if we always just look to sort of do the same type of concert where we're just playing standard classical music, there's a limit to how many people that's going to get interested in it. As an arts organisation, we should always be looking to push boundaries and to find new people to work with, new ways to present stuff. You never know from working with someone what's going to come from it, what kind of result is going to happen. And from working with other creative professionals in different art forms, whether they're a visual artist or a poet, there's like different sparks that can always fire. It just means that you're always looking to the future. What could an orchestra be? It doesn't necessarily just have to be the musicians on the stage, it can be a lot of different things. We're here in St Giles Church at the moment, which is a traditional venue for music. It's a very ancient building, beautiful stonework, and in here, by adding in the projection element, brings another dynamic to what we're doing and makes it a much more engaging experience where you kind of almost like overwhelmed by the imagery in front of you, as well as the amazing music that goes in hand with it. I mean, the whole New Experiences thing, it's not just about doing things because they're artistically exciting. We also think by doing different things with different artists, you know, you're also going to start introducing the people who participate in what we do, like in the choir and the Young Composers Project. You're introducing them to new ways of working as well.
New Voices is a creative vocal ensemble. The whole point of it is being really, really accessible. So the idea is you don't have to have sung in a choir before, you don't have to read music, you don't have to speak Welsh, and it's just about getting people together and singing. A lot of them will never ever have premiered a brand new piece before. It's just such an incredible thing to be able to say that you've done. And being part of the creative process of a composition is something that you wouldn't even necessarily do as a professional musician, let alone as an amateur musician.
It's going to be beneficial for all of us, cross-pollinating our audiences together so that people who didn't realise they're interested in seeing music with visuals, then they might come to other things.
I think something about sharing a text really helps to bring people together. And so it's just so wonderful on a Saturday morning, seeing everyone interact with each other, and it really is building a sense of community.
If everyone's being challenged in a way, I guess, to think, how else could we do this? Is there something else we can do that's more exciting?